Hi, and welcome to Brick Maths. In today's video, we'll be learning how to subtract fractions with different denominators. If you're not sure how to subtract fractions with the same denominator, watch this video first. Here is a calculation. 7/8 take away 1/4. You can only add or subtract fractions with the same denominator. If the denominators are different, we need to find a common denominator. 8 is the common denominator, as it can be divided by 8 and it can be divided by 4. So we need to find an equivalent fraction for 1/4 with 8 as its denominator. We multiply 4 by 2 to get 8. So we need to multiply the numerator by 2 as well, which is 2, so 1/4 is the same as 2/8. Now that the denominators are the same, we can subtract the fraction. 7/8 take away 2/8 equals 5/8. Here is another calculation. 14/15 take away 3/5. First, we need to find a common denominator. 15 is the common denominator because it can be divided by 15 and 5. So we need to find an equivalent fraction for 3/5 with 15 as its denominator. We multiply 5 by 3 to get 15. So we need to multiply the numerator by 3 as well, which is 9, so 3/5 is the same as 9/15. Now that the denominators are the same, we can subtract the fractions. 14/15 take away 9/15 equals 5/15. We can simplify this fraction further. Both the numerator and the denominator can be divided by 5 to make an equivalent fraction. So the simplified answer is 1/3. Fractions Challenge 1. Here is a calculation. 19/20 take away 2/5 take away 2/10. Pause the video to give you time to work out the answer. Press play when you're done. How did you get on? First, we need to find a common denominator. 20 is the common denominator because it can be divided by 20, 5 and 10. So first we need to find an equivalent fraction for 3/5 with its denominator as 20. We multiply 5 by 4 to get 20, so we need to multiply the numerator by 4 as well, which is 8, so the equivalent fraction is 8/20. So now we need to find an equivalent fraction for 2/10 with its denominator as 20. We multiply 10 by 2 to get 20. Now we need to multiply the numerator by 2, which is 4, so the equivalent fraction is 4/20. Now that all the denominators are the same, we can subtract the fractions. 19/20 take away 8/20 take away 4/20 equals 7/20. So that's it for subtracting fractions. If you want to keep learning, keep an eye out for more videos by Brick Maths.